huwag natin ipilit. Di ba? Huwag natin ipilit yung hindi pwede. Okay? Aray ko ba? Uy, nakapina ka naman, sir. Shoutout sa'yo. GS guys, pero 1/3 lang yung price niya. So, di ba? Very affordable. Alright, commercial muna tayo guys. So, before we proceed sa review natin about the Benelli TRK502X. Ito, commercial muna tayo. So, this helmet guys that I'm flashing on the screen right now, pumibigay natin siya guys. So, simplihan na lang natin yung mechanics. Once this video reaches 1,000 views and 1,000 likes, yun lang, ganoon lang kasimple. And then comment your name and your address. That's it. And then pipili tayo ng isang lucky winner. And then may mga other prizes pa tayo. Bigay tayo ng Motolente t-shirt and riding gears cleaner. So yun guys. So ganoon lang kasimple, okay? So make sure of course na you subscribe to my channel and to my Facebook account, official Facebook account, Motolente po. Alright? So, ganun lang kasimple, guys. Alright, so let's continue na guys with the review of the Benelli TRK502X. Let's talk about yung golden question. What's the best bike for you? Diba? Yun naman yung laging tanong ng mga tao. Ano yung best bike para sa akin? I want to ride a sports bike. Gusto ko yung naked, gusto ko yung street fighter, malaking makina, let's say, yung producing 150 horsepower, 200 horsepower, etc. Or iba, gusto ko dirt bike, gusto ko patulonin yung motor ko, something like that. Iba naman, I'm happy. So sa mga nagtatanong if you can filter this bike through moderate to heavy traffic, kaya naman, guys. Huwag ka lang kamo-kamote. Siyempre, makadamay ka ng ibang motorists. So, just ride within your skills, guys. Kung feel mo na kaya mong ilusot, na wala kang ma-aksidente, and you're not violating any traffic regulations, then of course, go for it. So today, guys, supposedly we're going to Caliraya, Cavite. The thing is, for my friend there, it was raining so hard doon sa upper part ng Pagsanhan. So, negative tayo doon guys kasi hindi rin natin may enjoy, hindi rin tayo makapag-vlog ng maayos. So, I just planned to just ride around sa urban. Alright guys, check muna natin yung specs nitong Benelli TRK502X. I've been riding this bike guys for 3 days now. Sa urban lang kasi today nga I was really planning to go to Caliraya para at least doon tayo makapag photo ops and then a bit of soft off-road and trail. Pero talagang very beginner intermediate lang talaga yung plano natin kasi of course hindi naman tayo pwedeng mag hardcore off-road. So that was a plan. It just so happened na umuulan. It was raining. Yeah, it is raining hard doon for my friend. Even dito sa metro, umuulan din naman. So I've decided na lang to just drive around the, you know, the city. So yun guys, let's talk about the pros and cons of this bike based on my personal opinion, syempre. So, first one, start muna tayo sa pros. First one guys that I have noticed, very comfortable yung upuan niya. Also, Benelli is offering this plug and play lowering seat. So, I think it's just around 2,750. Sabi ni Sir Spike. Shoutout pala, Sir Spike of Benelli Archway Motorcycles. Thank you sa pag-accommodate sa amin. And for giving us some inputs and sharing your, some best practices about, riding motorcycles. So, mabuhay ka, sir. So, yun, guys. So, that's the first one. So, imagine makakapag-lower ka na ng seat height by just purchasing their plug-and-play lowering seat. Second one, guys, yung travel ng suspension nito, it's very long. So, very important yun, guys, especially if you're into off-road. Ang laking tulong nun. And then, as a standard, guys, a 502X, it's equipped with Metzeler tires. So, imagine, guys, di ba? For its price point, naka-Metzeler tire na to. So, that's a big plus, guys. And then, next is naka-dual channel ABS na siya, guys. And it's switchable, yung ABS niya. Which is, syempre, alam naman natin ang purpose ng ABS, and that's very important. Actually, dapat nga talaga across all brands, regardless of the type of motorcycle, dapat yung ABS talaga is standard na siya. It's not something like na parang an upgrade or added feature, Kasi ABS saves lives, guys, diba? Especially pagka maulan and all, ganyan, or madulas yung kalsada. That's very important. So, good job, Benelli, for equipping this bike with switchable ABS, dual channel ABS. Lastly, guys, this bike is very agile and nimble. Given it's weighing around 235 kilograms, guys. Pero once you're riding it, you won't feel that you're riding, such a big beast. So guys, let's talk about the cons. Para, sandwich naman yung ibigay natin na feedback about this Benelli TRK502X. So, number one that I have noticed, for an average Filipino, mahihirapan dito. Mahihirapan i-ride to, guys. Why? Because ang seat height nito is 840 millimeters. So, for for a medium size adventure bike, this bike is just 500cc. Medyo mataas talaga siya. Ang competitor nito, I think around mga nasa 830 something lang ang seat height. But this one, it's 840. So, mataas talaga siya, guys. So, pwede ka naman bumili ng lowering seat. Yeah, but still, that's an additional, cost or expenses. Diba? And then, next, guys, is yung curb weight niya. For a medium size adventure bike, may kabigatan talaga siya. It's kilograms. It's okay once you're already riding it, like this, di ba? Very agile and nimble siya, as what I've said earlier. However, if you're just pushing the bike, around, ililipat mo lang siya ng parking, etc., medyo challenging because of its weight, guys. Okay? And last thing na napansin ko sa kanya, guys, is yung power delivery niya. It's linear. However, for a bike weighing 235 kilograms, I think they should have put, more horsepower. This bike is just producing 46 something horsepower. I'm not saying na it's underpower, no? Pero for those people na naghahanap ng medyo talagang responsive and malakas na bike, then mabibitin dito sa bike na to. Hindi ganun kalakas yung sipa na tinatawag natin, di ba, sa mga bikes. So, yun lang naman, guys. Aside from those three things, I'm happy, riding this bike. So yun, guys, let's talk about yung golden question. What's the best bike for you? Diba? Yun naman yung laging tanong ng mga tao. Best bike. I want to ride a sports bike. Gusto ko yung naked, gusto ko yung street fighter, malaking makina, let's say, producing 150 horsepower, 200 horsepower, etc. Or iba, gusto ko dirt bike, gusto ko patalunin yung motor ko, something like that. Iba naman, I'm happy riding a scooter. So, di ba? Gusto iba, gusto cruiser. Daming bikes na available in the market eh. So, the golden question is, ano nga ba yung bike for me?
Stop it.
Kasi sobrang dami.
Get some help.
What bike is really fit and good for you? So yun guys, ako share ko lang based on my personal opinion, di ba? And personal experience. Baka sakaling useful din sa inyo. Alright? Alright, just to give you, a brief background. I have been riding, motorcycles since, I think, I was just 15 or even younger. Okay, I started riding big bikes mid-90s, or I think or late 90s. So my first bike was Suzuki Bandit 400. That was my first bike. First big bike, I mean. Sarap ng adventure bike. Dumadaan ka sa mga ganun lubak. Baliwala. Yung mga realist ng trend. Ito, yung mga ganun lubak. Baliwala yan guys. So yun. Let's go back dun sa topic natin. What's the best bike for you? For me guys, dapat sakyan mo siya. And make sure na the bike perfectly fits you. Yun, number one yun guys. That's very important. Kahit anong motor ba yan, kahit na gustong-gusto mo yan, kung hindi siya fit sa'yo, huwag mo sakyan. Kasi, parang you're just inviting an accident. So, don't do that. Okay? Huwag natin ipilit. Diba? Huwag natin ipilit yung hindi pwede. Okay? Aray ko ba? Uy, makapina ka naman, sir. And then, another thing, guys, to consider is, of course, yung budget natin. Diba? Hindi mauubos yung mga upcoming models, hindi mauubos yung mga upgrades, etc. in the motorcycle industry. Of course, yung innovation, that's continuous. Hindi titigil yan, guys. So, if we are eyeing doon sa mga bikes na sobrang high-tech and mahal, may hirapan tayo doon, guys. Nasabi, parang, di ba, kaya naman, di ba? Yun naman yung lagi natin sinasabi. Kaya naman, titipid lang and all. The thing is, hirap yun guys, di ba? So, just, dapat yung within our capacity. So, magtipid tayo. Huwag masyadong magastos when it comes to, to motorcycles. Kasi definitely, paglabas nyan guys sa dealership, for sure mag-upgrade ka. So additional gastos yun. So di ba? Pin tayo. So lastly guys, choose the bike na kaya natin bitawan.
Wow!
Aray ko be? Ano ba yun? Anong sabihin no? What does it mean? Na choose a bike na kaya mong bitawan. What does it mean? It means guys, na pag pipili ka ng motor, yung motor na kaya mong ilaglag. Yung motor na kaya mong tanggapin na sumempla. Or magasgas, masira. Huwag kang bibili ng motor guys na hindi mo kayang tanggapin yun. Kasi you're just parang putting your life in danger. Kasi guys, di ba, rule of thumb, if alam mo na sasemplang ka na or if pasemplang ka na, if you're in that particular moment na sasemplang ka or sasemplang ka, make sure na bitawan mo yung bike and let the bike crash. Kasi pag hindi mo binitawan yung motor and then you went down with your bike, we don't know what's gonna happen. Pero most likely, that will result in a very bad thing. Alright guys, so that completes my vlog about this Benelli TRK502X. So guys, okay to. For its price point, less than 400,000, I think 395,000, pero I'll flash the actual price. Sulit siya guys, sulit siya. It serves its purpose very well. Alright guys, so thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe naman. So shout out Benelli Cafe, Makati, Scramble Marketing. Thank you for this very good opportunity na binibigay niyo sa amin. Ma'am Janice, thank you ma'am. Shout out sa iyo.